Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone XR runs a recent iOS and has enough storage. Next, install a trusted VPN app from the App Store and sign in. This gives you the credentials needed to connect. Once done, enable Face ID or a passcode to speed authentication and protect the VPN profile. These early actions remove friction later, so complete them now before moving on to configuration and connection steps. You now configure the VPN profile. Open the app and follow its setup wizard because it automates certificate and profile installation. If you choose manual setup, go to Settings, General VPN and Device Management and add the server, username, and password the provider gave you. Once configured, enable Connect on Demand or Auto Connect so the VPN activates on untrusted Wi-Fi. This ensures consistent protection without repeated manual steps, which saves. To finish, connect by tapping the VPN icon in Control Center or using the app. You should see the VPN badge near the signal indicator. Verify your new IP and location with a quick web check and run a speed test to confirm acceptable performance. If the VPN fails to connect, try toggling airplane mode, re-entering credentials, or reinstalling the app. Those fixes clear common issues. If problems persist, contact support with error messages and your iOS version for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.